We've recently added the Nautobot Netpicker plugin support, and in this video we'll learn how to install it. So there are some prerequisites if you want to follow along. Obviously, you have to have a Nautobot instance running either locally or anywhere else. Mine is running locally, and as you can see on the left hand side, there is no indication of plugin or Netpicker. So the first thing you want to do is to install the plugin and have it appear here. So the only file we want to interact with is this file, the Nautobot config file, usually generated automatically under your home directory, .nautobot, a hidden directory, and nautobot_config.py. At the time of setting up Nautobot for the first time, this file is created for you. So yours should probably be under the same path. So before adding anything to this file, I want to do something, and that is to activate the virtual environment. This virtual environment is actually the same one that my Nautobot instance is using. So basically, we want to activate the same virtual environment so Nautobot can read from the newly installed packages because they're all part of the same virtual environment. My virtual environment is under this path. If you follow the default Nautobot installation, yours should be somewhere else, should be under opt Nautobot, right? Mine is different, but you should find your virtual environment associated with your Nautobot instance. Now, I can say source venv being activate because my virtual environment in the same directory. There we go. And the virtual environment is activated. That means I can say pip install Netpicker Nautobot plugin, and if I run, mine already is installed, but this is how you go ahead and install it. Now, since the package is installed, I can go ahead and add it to my Nautobot config. From here, I will search for plugins. There we go. This is going to be a list, and again, for the first time, it is commented out and empty. So you want to uncomment it and add Netpicker inside. So Netpicker is added here, but before actually being able to see the plugin inside the dashboard, I have to do one thing, and that is to run the migrations. The way you do migrations in Nautobot is by saying nautobot-server migrate. This is the equivalent of something like Python manage.py migrate. And if this is your first time doing the migrations, you should see a few lines of successful OK operations denoted in green. Mine was already migrated before, so I don't see the OK status, but mine is OK because I've already done the migrations. Now, the last thing I want to do is restart the server or run it one more time. In my case, it was Nautobot server, run server, and insecure. There we go, it is running, so I'm going to open it. There we go, good sign, Netpicker is here and all of its menu items. So in the next video, we'll try to work with this plugin more and understand its features.